Welcome everybody to another 360 adventure. This time, we're at Disney World's Winter Summerland Mini Golf. And now for some family rules. The winner of each hole gets 1 point. No points are given if the hole is tied. The person with the most points wins. Plus, we have a couple other rules, but we won't get into that. As of now, here is the score. Now let's get into it.
Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. The big loop to loop. The bulk of rope.
Nice.
Oh, fine. Did you get it?
Wait, right over. Oh.
All of that. Come on, get it in for two. Get it now.
I can try and win for one man.
Or Lisa's gonna go again.
Whoa! Oh! Whoa!
Yeah. I snap. You have to hit it harder.
Tap her in.
For free.
Right.
Nice spot. No. No. Go ahead.
Great. So you can win this hole.
Yeah.
This could be a big win for Nan.
Pressure.
Ah! Wins another hole.
Dude, the last one hit.